Hello friends! Welcome back to Koy Digitals. This is Ron once again, and for today, we're going to do an unboxing video of my new iPhone SE. But before we begin, please hit the like and subscribe button below. So, let's start. Why iPhone SE? iPhone SE with an SRP of 28,990, meron na akong A13 Bionic chip which you can also enjoy sa iPhone 11 Pro Max, built in the size of an iPhone 8 except for that center niyang Apple logo. And the only difference with the iPhone 11 is that meron siyang nag-iisang camera na 12 megapixel sa likod and 7 megapixel naman sa harap. The only downside of this is that meron siyang battery capacity na 1,820. Some says na mabilis siyang malobat, pero I think nakadepende naman sa user naman siguro kung gaano siya kabilis malobat. To ensure protection for this budget-conscious list, I bought these accessories online. Milking cam shield 545, tempered glass 125. That's it. I hope you like our video for today. And if you'd like to get updated for my next video, please hit the subscribe and notification bell button. Till next time!